All right, we're back. We're going to talk about the bird dog with the band. The bird dog with the band is a great exercise for shoulder, core, and leg stability. So I'm going to have Haley teach you how to do the bird dog, just the basic bird dog. And then from there, we'll actually show you how to do the bird dog with the band. So what the bird dog without the band looks like is you're going to take the arm and opposite leg and you're going to stretch out from side to side. It's really important to keep this part of your back flat while you're doing it, and then come on back. And so that's what that looks like. So now we're going to add that exercise band. And that exercise band is great because it's going to work the core, the shoulders, and it's also going to tap into a concept that we call the spiral line. We're actually tied together from the arm, mid-back, and opposite leg. So when you strengthen those together, you get more stability. As if you do isolation, you're not necessarily tying the core in, which you need, or the leg. So it's important to do these as a compound exercise so you're challenging everything. So as she's doing it, you can see she's using the same concept, keeping that flat. That spiral line is going to come from that shoulder all the way down to that leg, and it's going to actually be a really challenging exercise. And that's what that looks like. So thanks for doing that for us, Haley. And so that will challenge your shoulder stability. It'll engage the shoulder muscles, and because of that spiral line, you're going to be resisting rotational pull with that also. So the benefits of that bird dog, it's going to improve your posture and balance. It will help reduce if you've got low back pain, it'll reduce your low back pain. If you're an athlete or in a physical job, it'll actually give you more endurance, and you'll have enhanced performance because of that. So it's a great functional movement to do. So give it a try. If you try it out, let us know how you did. And if you like what you hear, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.